The progress fighting the pandemic in our country is incredibly encouraging. Vaccines are now readily available for people above the age of 12. Infection rates are down, and multiple studies indicate that the vaccine is highly effective at preventing both symptomatic and asymptomatic infection. And we thank God for the answered prayers, the medical professionals, the researchers, and the public health leaders who have made this possible. Late last week, the Centers for Disease Control released new guidelines in response to the progress that the U.S. has made and the studies confirming the vaccine's extraordinary effectiveness. As you've likely heard, the new guidance directs that, with a few exceptions, it's now safe to gather indoors without a mask if you are vaccinated. For over a year now, our reopening task force has been dedicated to the health and safety of everyone at our church, at the stew pot, meal services, and at the day school. From the beginning, they've made recommendations with two factors in mind. First, a commitment to the health and safety of everyone, and then the guidance of the CDC. We have been consistent with our approach so far. And now, with the updated guidance from the CDC, today we're announcing that if you're vaccinated, face masks and social distancing are no longer required while on campus at FPC Dallas. This means beginning on Sunday morning, if you're vaccinated, the choice to mask is up to you. Also, registration is no longer required to attend worship on Sunday mornings. You can come as often as you like without worrying if space is available for you. There's room here for everyone. Sticking with the CDC's recent guidance, unvaccinated worshipers are strongly encouraged to mask and to maintain social distance. We're making this change, trusting that unvaccinated worshipers will express their commitment to the health and safety of everyone, especially children ineligible for a vaccine and the immunocompromised. Without exception, the whole church has been exceedingly compliant with our protocols to date. And we have no reason to presume that will change because of this announcement. If you aren't vaccinated yet and you're eligible, remember, a multitude of scientific studies has demonstrated that the vaccine works. It's an answer to the many prayers that we have lifted. It's safe and it's effective at preventing infections. Getting vaccinated means you can go without your mask in more places, and right now it's a simple way to love your neighbor. On our website at fpcdallas.org, you can learn more about the rationale and the process behind these decisions. You'll also find additional details about how the new CDC guidance will impact our children's programming. Also included there is news that the 8:30 service will return on July the 4th, and also that in-person Sunday school is coming soon. Also, in order to help stop the virus, we will soon host a vaccination site on campus in partnership with the Dallas County Health Department. Again, if you're not vaccinated, for whatever reason, we expect and encourage you to wear a face mask on campus at FPC Dallas. If you're not ready to return, or if you're not feeling well, we would ask that you watch worship at home. It will continue to stream on Sunday mornings on our website and at YouTube and on Facebook. One of our congregation's gifts is our willingness to meet people wherever they are. We're not going to gather in the same manner for some time, and yet still, God knows where to find us. And so on behalf of our reopening task force, the session of this church, the staff that supports it, thank you for your flexibility and patience. We are almost there. May God continue to abide with us.